So here is another question on cross multiplication method. So here the two equations are ax by b minus by by a is equal to a plus b, and the second one is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. So first we'll write the equations as they are. So we have ax by b minus by by a is equal to a plus b. Now here we can do something to convert it into a simple format. What we'll do, we'll multiply ab on both sides. Okay, to convert it into a simple format, we'll multiply ab on LHS and RHS side. So we'll have here, for the first part, when we'll multiply AB with this, BB will get cancelled, so we'll have A square X. Okay, and here when we multiply it with the second part, A will get cancelled and we'll have minus B square Y, which is equal to A square B plus AB square. This is the first equation, or we can write it in this way, or a square x minus b square y minus a square b plus ab square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the final format, and the second equation is already in simple format, so we'll simply write ax minus by minus 2ab is equal to 0. This. So if we compare it with the standard equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then we'll have a1 is equal to a square, b1 is equal to minus b square, and c1 is equal to minus a square b plus a b square. Similarly, a2 is equal to a, b2 is equal to minus b, and c2 is equal to minus 2ab. C2 is equal to minus 2ab. Okay, this. So now what we can do, is we have to put it in the cross multiplication format, which is b1 b2, that is minus b square b, c1 c2, which is minus a square b plus ab square and minus 2ab, then a1 a2 a square a, then again b1 b2. This is minus b. Okay, b2 is minus b by mistake, so please be careful about this. If you miss one sign plus minus here and there, the solution, the answer will be wrong. So here I missed that. I made a very silly mistake, a minor mistake, but the answer will be wrong if you will do that. And then again minus b square minus b. So this is for x, this is for y, and this is for 1. We'll do the cross multiplication. So here it will be okay, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So here minus minus will be plus, so simply b square into 2ab. Then here also minus minus will become plus, so it will be simply minus b into a square b plus a b square is equal to y by c1a2 minus c2a1. So here it is minus a into a square b plus ab square, and here it will be minus, so minus minus it will be plus, so it is a square into 2a plus a square into 2ab, that is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So it is minus a square b plus ab square, minus a square b plus ab square. Now here x is equal to, this will go to the numerator, so it will be b square into 2ab minus b into a square b plus ab square by minus a square b plus ab square. So this b square into 2ab we can write it as b into 2ab square. So this b square into 2ab we can write it as b into 2ab square. So let me change it here. I am changing it here. B square into 2ab is b into 2ab square. It will be the same. This one of the b I am taking it and multiplying it here. So b into 2ab square. So now we can take b common. So it will be b into 2ab square minus a square b minus ab square. So by ab square minus a square b. So it will be 2ab square minus ab square, it will be b into ab square minus a square b by ab square minus a square b. So both numerator and denominator, they are the same, not the one part of the numerator and denominator, they are same. So x is equal to b. We have got it. Okay. Similarly, y will be equal to, so I am doing it here. Y will be equal to minus a into a square b plus ab square plus a square into 2ab by minus a square b plus ab square. This just went to the numerator. Again here also a square into 2ab I can write it as a into 2a square b. I will take one of the a's, multiply it here, it will become a into 2a square b. It will be the same thing. So here also we will do the same thing. a into 2a square b. Okay, so here it is equal to minus a into a square b plus ab square minus 2a square b by ab square minus a square b. So I am taking it further to the right side. So it is equal to minus a, here 2a square b, a square b minus 2a square b, that is equal to minus a square b. So minus a into ab square minus a square b by ab square minus a square b. So this gets cancelled, so we have y is equal to minus a. So we have here x is equal to b and y is equal to minus a. Just a simple rearrangement here which we did. First one, it was b square into 2ab, it is b into 2ab square, and the second one, a square into 2ab is equal to a into 2a square b. We did that so that we could subtract it from the remaining terms and bring it to a form such that a part of the numerator gets cancelled by the entire denominator. So we'll have these values. So we have x is equal to b and y is equal to minus a. Okay, so this is the thing.